So another thing that you can add over here is like multiple notes. So a quick way to do that is like, it's like a small tip from me to you. Like if you want to make it like a to-do list or something, like a multiple list, you know, a multiple to-do, or let's say, since this is a note, let's just call it notes, you know. So I'm going to backspace that, do a list, and then I really like doing this, so I can do it like that, and backspace, add. So it'll be like add a new note when you click on this. So it like automatically generates itself. So you can write, like you can even put this like just Control X, backspace, and you can one time use, please. It's like this ingredient, honey, coconut oil, aloe vera mask. It's like one time use. You're telling your audience, use it only once. Like when you make it fresh and then use. Or if you have another note, just click on that. You can add that as well. If it's like, if it's a short hair, if you have short hair, you can half the amount of all of these ingredients. Like all of these ingredients are like 1 tablespoon each. So it will be like half tablespoon of each ingredient. Tablespoon of each item. For half, for shoulder length, 10. You can add some few tips and tricks to help your viewers, your readers, to identify their needs, like that. You can even replace this. You can replace, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to add a different item, or if you want to, add this image over to this side. All you have to do is click on those 6 dots. You have that blue line. Once you get the blue line, you can just drop it there. It's really that simple. And even if you want to, shift the alignment or something, you can do that, and just backspace, and everything is like shifted. You can do that as well. It takes some time to learn, but it's really simple. So yeah, that's everything about this page. So let's go back to the main